With pdfFiller, you can save an unlimited number of reusable templates to speed up your work. To get started, open a document in the editor. Complete fillable fields with information you want to save in your template. Once your document is ready, click Convert to Template. You can generate new documents from your templates at any time. Simply enter the name of a new document, specify the number of copies, and select the destination folder. Customize newly created documents without having to re-enter all the information again and again. Once you finish editing, share a document using one of the available methods, including email, fax, or SMS.